We have learned about ground Mahamudra and practice of which the most important aspect, the devotion and compassion based on the ground Mahamudra. You know, like a chipmunk. You know, they accumulate nuts for the winter. So it's not like that. Little bit like that, yes. For a lay person, for a ordinary, not very deeply involved in Dharma, but devoted and faithful, for them it is little bit like accumulating lots of nuts, so that during the bad times, bad winter, you have plenty to eat, you know. So you accumulate lots of merits, so that in future lives, then you will have lots of supplies. So you will be okay. You don't have to suffer too much. It is a little bit like that. But actually it is not like that. You are not accumulating anything from outside. You are accumulating the quality, the potential which is inside to manifest. The accumulating the quality, the manifestation itself. So now purification and accumulation goes together. But accumulation have two aspects, which is very important, that both of these accumulations one have to involve in order to have a healthy, smooth, and let's say smooth is better, I think. Successful progress in the Dharma, smooth and successful progress in the realization. So these two aspects of purification and accumulation. In the accumulation, two aspects of accumulation has to be practiced. Then beside the accumulation of merit, then accumulation of wisdom is the most important thing. And the accumulation of wisdom is through meditation. There's many ways, but the main part of accumulation of wisdom is through meditation. Now, wisdom by definition is when you are able to let your ultimate essence or primordial wisdom or Buddha nature or ultimate bodhicitta, they are different names for the same thing. When you are able to let that function, then we call that wisdom. So wisdom is in you. There's no such thing that you can acquire wisdom from somewhere outside of you to you. There's no such thing. You cannot learn how to have wisdom. You cannot train how to have wisdom. Definitely, you cannot buy wisdom. Yes. And so this way, the wisdom means the primordial wisdom in action. Primordial wisdom functions. So I give you a very simple example. You are confused. Okay. Then, no, I'm not saying you're confused. No. When you are confused, okay? When you are confused. If you are able to only sit down and be quiet for 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. Relax. Then half of your confusion just dissolves by itself. When you don't know what to do, you have too many situations at the same time. You cannot decide. Then if you are only able to sit down quietly for 1 or 2 hours, and you will know quite clearly what is going on and what to do. This is the basic nature and characteristic and the purpose of meditation. Even without lineage, even without instruction, if you have enough common sense to calm down in times of crisis, you know, I like this song sang by Beatles, you know. In times of trouble, you know, Mother Mary speaks to me, you know, you see, and words of wisdom, right? So let it be, right? So, yeah. All right. So, if you are able to just let it be, then half of the problem is gone right there. No matter how hard you work to solve your problem, or how little you do to solve your problem, if you let it be, problem will solve by itself. I have seen problems solved by itself right in front of my nose. Yes. Some problems take a long time. Some problems doesn't take any time. But even the problems take long time, it doesn't bother me. If it doesn't bother me, it's not my problem. So the glimpses of wisdom can manifest if you are able to calm down, relax, let it be. You are Buddha, you have primordial wisdom, let it be. Don't work hard to don't let it be. Okay? Now, in meditation, the first step of the meditation is to be at peace. So, through breathing, through prayer, through visualization, through all kind of methods which is taught in the lineage, by doing those practices, then your mind become calm abiding, and you are at peace. Physically at peace, mentally at peace, emotionally at peace. When you reach that stage, basically your efficiency doubles and triples. And so once you reach that state of calm abiding, peaceful state of mind and well-being, then the next step of the meditation is called vipassana or lakthong. So that is to progress out of that, progress on top of that calm abiding. Without lakthong, just shine, calm abiding is nice, but it can be something like stress management. It will overcome your stress. It can help you to reduce your headaches, high blood pressure, all that sort of thing. But that's about it. But we remember why we are meditating is to attain Buddhahood, not to put doctors out of job. Out of business, yeah.